Phase adjustment. REW is just set to 1-to-1 smoothing, 1 octave smoothing. Just left and right channel, left and right front, HF horn. Just one of the channels, left channel HF phase control. You can see a slight change in the shape. So that's back to 0, you know. The behringer DCX goes through a variable phase of 5-degree steps. Up to 180. Just the right one. Now, though it's not really practically ideal because the frequency response has got to be absolute on the HF horns. So microphones would have to be placed close, and the frequency response would have to be absolute flat. Otherwise, any slight changes, it tends to move some of the frequencies. You know, like, but you know, it's very difficult to tell the difference. It's more noticeable on bass frequencies where the shifting, but on the HF horns it's just a little very subtle. But with adjusting the phase control up down really quick, yeah, my ear can detect a sort of rise and dip and rise and dip and rise and dip in the frequency. It can detect a kind of sort of thing, kind of. If it's done very slowly, don't notice it. If you do it very slowly with low frequencies, yes, you notice it. If you do it very fast, you still notice it. So if I go to 1/4/8. That was the left HF phase. Just the right HF phase. EQ levels have got to be a bit adjusted slightly. And the microphone's just placed like so. Move it around a little bit. But it's just basically over in that position, and then just put the two channels together. You notice it very different when it's electronically done. Going through because of smoothness of the frequency, the electronic, it's not coming out acoustically, it's not going through a loudspeaker. That, you know, it's got to be tuned, adjusted. You notice it a kind of more smooth change in the frequency. Yeah, that's just generally it.